Spreadsheet, Module D, Homework Assignment Number 1. I'm in the very first worksheet labeled Dates, and I have two separate dates. The top part, I'm just looking for, they're all current this year, I'm looking for maybe birthdays in the month that we currently are in, November. And then the second half, we're looking for, again, birthdays in November, but it could be of any year. So the first one, go ahead and select your range, and then choose Conditional Formatting. And we're going to go to New Rule, and then you'll select Format Only the cells that contain, and then down here in the Format Only Cells With, we'll look for dates occurring, and then you have choices, and we're going to go with this month. And then if I don't select a particular color, I won't see any highlighting, so I'll go to Format. I can change the font if I wanted, but I'm going to leave it on automatic. But I will go to Fill and select a color. This will be the shading of that cell, and then click OK and OK. So there should be 2 for November. Now in the second half, there's actually a formula. It's in A28. So I'm actually going to select the cell and then go up in the formula bar and select everything except the apostrophe and copy that. Then we'll select our range, and we're looking for any of the birthdays in November. It doesn't matter what year. So again, we'll go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule, and this one we're going to use a formula to determine which cell to format. So in here, click and paste your formula. Make sure you didn't copy that apostrophe. So it's looking for text, starting with A17, cell A17, and it's looking just for the month. And it wants to equals the text for today, current day, November 14th month. So again, I'm in Format, Fill. I'm going to select a different color this time, and then choose OK. And any of the Novembers should be shaded in green. Now we'll go to the next cell, or next worksheet, Fruit, and we'll put in today's date. And then I will check, and then go ahead and fill handle so it continues the rest of the week, or the rest of the month. Now what I want to do, I can do the formula here if I want. So that'll be equals C3 times D3, check, and fill handle. And what I want to do here in cell B16 is I want to count how many are under the fruit category are banana. So yeah, you could count because there's not many, but if you had hundreds of rows, you wouldn't want to count. So you'll go, make sure you're in B16, you'll choose Formula. It's under More Functions, and it's Statistical, and you're going for Count If. Now the first thing it'll ask, what's the range? So select your range, B3 to B13, and the criteria is what is in A16. Which is banana. And you can see right now it already selected how many there are, 3, and click OK. What I can also do is select the range, go back home, Conditional Formatting, and I'll choose Highlight Cell Rows Equal to, and I'll type equal to banana, and I'll change it to yellow. And OK, so it should match. Next one is Compare. So go ahead and click in D2, and we want to look at the amount invoiced and the amount received, and to see if they're the same, a match, or are they wrong amount. So this is a logical test, so you can click the FX here, which is Insert Function, or in the Formula tab, it's the same button here. So I'm going to change it from statistical to logical, and if, OK. So the test is B2 equal to C2? And if it's true, I'm going to type match, and if it's false, I'll type wrong amount. And right now this is 88 and this is 38, should be a wrong amount. Go ahead and click OK, and then use your fill handle. And you can see the ones that are actually matched. Next one is age. What we want to do here is find out, are they of legal voting age or underage? Again, FX here on the formula bar, or up here. We'll go right back to if. The test is, what is in B2 greater or equal to 18? If it's true, voting age. If it's false, underage. And the first person is over 18, so they are voting age. And click OK, and then fill handle. The last one is free gift. Anyone that donated over $50 will get a free gift. So you're in H2. Again, FX, logical if statement, okay? So you're looking at G2. So if G2 is greater than or equal to $50, they're going to get a free gift. And then for false, I'm just going to press the space bar, so there's nothing there. You could type 0 if you wanted. And okay, and then do your fill handle, and you'll see anyone that gave over $50 has free gift. So that's a save and submit.